Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Janae and I am a blogger. I run a blog called Highlowluxxe and I focus on luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. And today we have a double unboxing. Yes, double unboxing. I bought two things when I went to New York last week and I can't wait to show you guys. I have worn one, but I only once, and I put it back in the box and it's all wrapped up, so it'll be like it's brand new, so don't worry. But before I ramble on, I'll leave links to everything I bought below if I can find it. The dress I'm wearing I just got from H&M. I will leave it below as well. It's like super cute spring summer dress. And my shoes are the Kitten Heel Manolo Blahniks. I'll leave those below if I can find them as well. And this little clip I got from Amazon. It came in like a set of 3 or 4. I'll leave that below also if I can find it. So without further ado, let's get into our unboxing. Okay, so item number 1 came from Saint Laurent, and I have been going back and forth about this bag, and I loved it. I saw it like every day on Instagram, and I have a trip coming up and I've always wanted something like this, and I went back and forth between this and a similar one from Chanel, but I went with this one. One, because the cost was just so much better. I was looking at the canvas Chanel tote. It's like $3,000 for canvas, and this one was $1,050, and I bought it from the Saint Laurent store in Saks, I believe, and it is just so beautiful. It's really big, so obviously it'll be like great for the beach, great for traveling. It's kind of like your carry-on or your personal item, both. And it's all canvas. It's like a cream and a tan, and then the straps are black leather, which I really love because they won't get messed up. So like that was stressing me out a little bit because I wasn't sure like how sturdy this would be or like the longevity of it. The canvas is actually coated, so if you get something on it or it gets wet, it should come out because it's a coated canvas, so it's not just gonna like seep in to the material. And then the handles and the straps are leather, so like if you have sunscreen on your hands or lotion or all that stuff, like it's a dark color, so you won't really notice it. It won't change the color too much, and it'll be good for wear and tear. So this is my bag. Again, if I can find it, I'll leave it below, but I'm just so excited. It's just a huge hole inside, and then it has a little side pocket there. That's just a little info card, and this was $10.50. So yeah, I have a trip in 3 weeks, so I am very excited, and these are like my favorite colors, just like neutral on neutral on neutral. So excited about that. I'll stand up so you can kind of see what it would look like. So you can do it on your shoulder, which I love. Just hold it, but just such a great everyday tote. I also plan on using this just like if I want to work from like a coffee shop. I can fit my laptop in there. I can fit like outfits in here if I like am going out to shoot for a day. So very, very versatile. Very excited. That's our first item. Second item are a pair of shoes, and a controversial pair, but a pair nonetheless. And they are from Louis Vuitton. And again, every time I go to New York, they just have the best shoes. Anything that's been on my wish list, I always find it there. So yeah, these are another pair of Louis Vuitton Archlights because I'm a weak woman and I can't resist. These are the Archlights, and they are in the navy, the neon, and black. They have a little gray on the back and then like the Louis Vuitton tab, and they're just so beautiful. I have been wanting these for months. Once I realized, like, I got my first pair of Archlights. If you haven't seen them, let me grab them. So I have the white and just monogram print Archlights, and I've had these for a couple months. I bought these on Fashion File, pre-loved, because that was the only place I could find them. and I have worn them at least 2 to 3 times a week. So I knew for summer I wanted to go a little crazy with like a fun color, and I knew I would get like my wear out of them because I've worn those so much. And I had these on my Pinterest board, I had them saved in Instagram, and I couldn't find them anywhere. Every store I went into, they didn't have them. One store they had one pair and they were too big, and of course I just walked right into Saks and there they were, just waiting on me. So I had to get them. But yeah, this is my second purchase, and I'm so obsessed with them. I cannot wait to wear them. Follow me on Instagram. I will be styling them, and by the time this video goes up, they should be on there. Highlowluxxe on Instagram if you want to see how I style these in general. Also leave me a comment below if you just want to see like a video on styling these, because I wear them lots of different ways, and I don't typically wear them with jeans. I like to kind of mix it up, and I wear them with, like I would wear them with a dress like this. So let me know if you want to see that. But this is our second item. So those are my unboxings. Okay guys, so that is it. Those are my 2 unboxings from my trip to New York last week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you've lasted this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. I focus on luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. So if you like those things, make sure you stick around. Lots of good stuff coming. I post twice a week. I upload on Sundays and Wednesdays, so 2 times a week. And again, you can follow me on Instagram at Highlowluxxe. And I also have a blog where I post on Mondays and Fridays, and that is highlowluxxe.com. I think that's everything you need to know. Again, leave me a comment if you want to see a video on me styling the Archlights, or if you have any requests that you'd like to see me film. Thank you so much for stopping by. See ya.